Sorobotironde kubotkana nimirubirio aho ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ebinte binge nigo byanyara bigo twara amonchererio anene ase ensemeli yisemi asibono murubirio 844 nyara ko ikomwelio akartwanya togosoa asumurubirio competence based curriculum usimakardena CBC kubotkana no gochenjugo ko nigaba bwatani aho anne bali begisema nyare ba ukwanira igono yengane yo asabange banyara ba gotugyo murubirio yo asabange banyara ba ukwanda murubirio ni gora chuko nyubogima asamatuko alebosio moliko ito Frida Kerubo na nigarwa atwarira ni roboti rokobwatia
amonchererio ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo airire binge gonchereria gati yabone wizara yechisemi asumuroberio 0844 obakogo ikomoelio na boigo kwarigania omoroberio o CBC usangane gati ya Bible nigo bairira obokongu bagwetera anene asense moyo gocha kugole bitabu chinga kiti skuru kirabe chiko igurwa omwako gocha
asense sukuru bona biba abato kuchogore se ndo kale twabanyikire na ubata abana bari kutumuka nane bitabu kibura abana bari bamayira no babika babitumye bona yabaira umucyanda umanene asenyenjo system ya change bana bari kwanya twagorire ibitabu nande bona zabo twikabuya ibitabu
abantu bakugura ibitabu ebe bitabu ikubekera nane tabu yari unandi watebitabu
chinga kecho boigoni gaboncheria bebitabu nigo bakwanire emechando banyorire ane ase serikali koenana ebitabu gocha ase chiskuru ao.
We had a chain of textbook supplies to schools, whereby now the government took over and started supplying the textbooks to schools. You know, it affected a lot of booksellers in general, including us. You know, countrywide, where even publishers were affected. The booksellers, you know, there's a chain of booksellers who would, they were distributors to wholesalers, wholesalers now to retailers. That's how we would go. You know. So the whole chain was affected in that way.
Asensemende nigo baligania omoroberio CBC asebairera okwegenda buna nigo omoroberio yo orachikokolya buyako bwa omoroberio 0844.
But I believe that CBC has come with its own blessings too, because the curriculum, the content-wise, you look, it is, I think, you know, it's quite. I mean, to some good extent, it is much better than the 844 system. The content that is there in the CBC curriculum in terms of the science and technology and other things is very innovative and very new, and is giving early exposure to students to, you know, maybe to ready themselves as at an early age, rather than, you see what, like I've seen in some books here, what we were doing in Form 1 and Form 2, here the same content is in grade 7 and grade 8.
Boigo nigo ao koboko omoroberio CBC asomonchererio yo aenekebna nigo aborkigwa barachiko twara obumanyi bwekerengo keigoro mono ase amangana ao.
In a way, it will bring some change in the generations to come, you know, that come out now, because this will be the first lot we'll be seeing now coming forward from now grade 7, 8, and then how we transition to the now from junior secondary to the way forward. Let's see how we'll be guided on that one. But I believe the content is much better than 844. It is really relevant, and it's really what's going to assist our students, you know, to come up with better skills, you know, as they exit the schools, you know.
Nonyana boni ge serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ya mochirigwe asama oncherelia ekyo kyaberege kuyirira amagoli y'ebintu ugokonga
to kichetipi kwa magoli ya keregentu amaguta amana araya bona igatu cyandete ki transport cyamendire keregentu cyamendire
asensemo yobosombi nigo bairira oboncherelia koirananse nonyamagega yogochengera esuguku
ngana nemyaka kuchimagega nakorire matatu oyo noro mwaka naro niore tofauti kangabona yoro na twakurete Christmas y'abantu kangabeno bagutachi none ni bona infatti gantumba iyo koruna twakurete Christmas bantumba iyo infatti chigari chitene gato kuna chapaka shilingi 800 to nonye no yo 800 tai
kolende nige serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii yaboligwa kwena na chibasali iliyokwenekebuna aborokiwa nkonyara bali tisemi boikiranum abonchelia ba matatu imiyomochio Nairobi nigo baboli gotango yago chagusi ubwatkana no kwirananse kubonchelia
ngwanje ne munyina na mare dipasa ati abana bakoje abantu bana rona ngo sabika mo baba ngo chagusi sababu biashara mbiyo roro biraro kana nto barage bone nto ke yoro nane no tano ya bote.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.